0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. All it does is take me to the bottom area of the same area. 1 goes to 7, 2 goes to 8, 3 goes to 9, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Inside of these now, they speak from the other side. Remember, 1 and 2 is the center and the first level flush all the way around. That's all it is, to the left, to the right, and to the center. This number 8, 0, 2, 0, 8, equals 68. 8 times 6, 8 plus 6 equals 62, representation of Queen Venus Saturn. This 14 over here, okay, is the highest you can actually get. This is the center of what you can get. I'm going to explain it to you because when you play the game of pool, when you go 0, 3 and move it to 0, 9, 3 is the highest. Well, 9 is already on the other side. 9 is the opposite of the 1. 1, 5, 9, right over here. So when you play the game of pool, the 9 is a yellow ball on the other side. This one is in the middle, and this one is on the solid. There's 3 different distinct areas, showing 8 is in the middle, and 9 is the only way through 7. 9 and 6, 15, 1 and 5, 6, 6 and 4. 1 and 5 is Mars. This one, over here is your DNA inside the sun. This is your alternate current, SNS, out of this one. And this is the year, 76 times 76 equals 5776. It's this Hebrew New Year. 7 times 6, 7 plus 6 equals 1342. 1342, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 0 times 6 equals 25,920. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. Multiplied equals 24 and 10. 24, 10, Super Bowl number in a Super Bowl that represented 50 and not the letter EL or L. This is the center of what's around. Here's number 6. Right over here. Why? Because 1, 2, 3 angles. 1, 2, 3 angles. That's your 6. That's your greatest period of diameter. 6 over 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. When we hold it standing up, right, the cube, I get 1 area. I get 2, 3 areas. Then I got 3 areas. I got 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2 is 3. And 3 is 6, 7, 8, and 9. Dividing it this way. You want to go to Sunday? You want a bandana? Take your necktie off, put it on your head from a necktie to a bandana. The word die, dice, demos, demons, D and I, 4 and 9. In the French language, to say the days of the week, you either start with D and I, Sunday is dimanche, okay? Which you can use this word as saying D or dice or ID, whichever representation, but the letters are 0, 4, 0, 9. The 0, 9 automatically shows me I am on the other side of 1. I've already went up a level from 0, 3, okay, over to 63, became the 0, 9, because 0, the minute you have 0, it's always talking about 1 and 5. The 1 and 5 position are Mars and Jupiter. The 1 and 5 position number planets that we know is Mercury and is Jupiter. The other way I told you was in Lo Shu. This will become 64 and 69. 64 is 10, 69 is 15. 10, 15. A nickel and a dime is your 15. 10, 15 at night. 600, 615 minutes. That's right, 10, 15 at night is 615. 615, 6 times 15 is 90. Anyway, 69 becomes 133. 4 and 9 is 13. And 60 and 60 is 120, 133. If I just took it for this is what it would be. 313, Sunday is the doorway. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi. All with D's. They all say the doorway every day of the week. Sunday says it the other way. One last piece I wanted to mention. 19 times 19, SNS, A and I, 1 and 1, represents 1 full circle. 19 times 19 equals 361. That is 1 full circle. Last piece I want to add in here, just one scenario. 8 is in the middle. 8 is in the middle because I spoke that 9 is on the other side of 7. So it would be 9, 8, 7. 8 is in the middle. What's left over? Remember, each side from the total of 7, 8, 9, center left, center right. We call it 9 because it's a continuation of 1. So all we actually have to do is the minute we get to 8, just say it's 1 again. In gematria, they'll say it's 6. So we get 17 to 1. When I take this bet over here, okay, we're going to have to show this now. This one over here, okay, this one over here is going to be a chip over here between these two. Here, 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 and here. These are all 17 to 1 payoffs. When we get to the 4 corners, when you make a bet on this 4 corners, it's an 8 to 1 payoff. That 8 to 1 payoff is a representation, not of 1, 7, okay, but what you cannot get in a cube. In a cube, you get automatically 2 and 6. You can get that on a cube. You can get 3 and 5 on a cube and 4 and 4. They all represent 1 and 5 is represented inside 2 and 6 because they both make 7s. 4 and 2 represented inside 3 and 5. Yo, 11 to student. 4 and 4 is represented inside 3 and 3. They all represent 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 8, 8, 8, 24 and 18. 42, 9 lives of the cat, 101 away. 6, 7 is in the middle. 5 and 3, 4 is in the middle. Here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 4 in the middle, 4 in the middle, 4, 4. From the middle. From 4 in the middle, we get 1 and 5, 3 in the middle. 3 and 4 come together. Where 2 and 4 in the middle, where 2 and 4, we get 3 in the middle. 3 and 4 come together. Where 3 and 4 come together to create that. 3 times 4, 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4. The addition adds to 14. The multiplication adds to 144. 144 times 14 equals 2016. Creation of the half-life. 5 times 4, 4 times 4. There's other things that come out of this. This number over here is the Christ mass. Christ and mass equals to 3377. Mass, or earth, with Christ and earth comes together is 5 by 2 is 10. 7 by 2 is 14. 20 and 28, the cycle of the moon. 30, creation inside the cycle of the moon. 0 equals 6. 16 and 16, 32. 28, 8 times 4, 32, the passage through Pluto and Venus. I tell you this because that's what they are after I've worked years on numbers and letters. And just a story. Today's story. Thank you for watching. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I'm going to try and show you all of this and all its numbers, how it works. Remember, there's one other thing I have to say. I put my hat on. Okay, if I was facing you, I would have to my shoulders, to my blind spots. And what is not in my blind spot would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here, and everything else is towards and down towards my blind spot over here. This is the vision I don't need because it comes in from this area over here. I don't know why I just brought this up just now. Tower, center of the tower. Remember what the center means. From side to side and side to side, right? You need a flat part at the top, pointed at the bottom. Flat part at the top, pointed at the bottom. You only need 3 sides. Thank you for watching.